Greetings everyone. A few weeks back, I learned the same concept from two different sources on the same day. So I thought, wow, this is probably pretty important, and I wanted to share it with you. It's called the toddler brain. And what it means is that when we are stressed, preoccupied, or overtaxed, we often make more impulsive decisions. So for example, you're at work, you're having a very hectic day, you've got some time for a quick lunch break, go down to the cafeteria, you're presented with both healthy and unhealthy options. Chances are you're going to choose the unhealthy option. An experiment was done that actually looked at this effect. What they did was they took two groups of people. One group had to memorize a 7-digit number, and the other group had to memorize a 2-digit number. Now, obviously, it's more difficult and takes more mental resources to memorize a 7-digit number. So what they did was they had these two groups of people walk across the hall to another room, and on the way, they were offered two snack choices, either fruit or a piece of cake. And it turns out that most of the people in the 7-digit group chose the cake, whereas most of the people in the 2-digit group chose the fruit. And this was likely because the people in the 7-digit group were under more mental stress because they had to use more mental resources. So that's the toddler brain phenomenon. And what I like to do is offer two tips to try to combat this. So first tip, going back to that hectic day at work lunch break example. What you should do is pack your lunch the night before. Presumably and hopefully you will be under less stress and put more thought into what you choose to eat. So that's the first tip. Second tip is, in life in general, things can often get hectic and very confusing. So what we can do when these situations occur and we have to make a choice about what to eat is give yourself a moment. Take a slow 4 or 5 deep breaths. This will not only help to add more clarity to your choice of food, but will also add more clarity to your day overall. So I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. If you know of anyone that might benefit, please feel free to share it. Until next time, be well.